No problem.
Your 95.5k subscribers will see good, no?
You think this is something which you are arranging for sake of your marriage proposal? Huh?
Might be.
Might be.
Might be, sir.
Might be. Okay. So that's the reason why you came. I thought you came out of love and affection towards me. Seriously, Ritika? What is this? A good rishta ke liye aap aayi idhar?
नहीं sir.
Okay, right. We'll start. I hope it's recording, right? So just place it here. So hi everyone. So as part of our vlogging, we started even this kind of interactions, and we're recording them online and we're posting them so that I can share my experience in a much better way to you guys. So here we have some dynamic, young, budding, boiling blood wala dental surgeons from Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana. These things are all same for me. So mostly they eat butter rotis and paneer butter masalas for breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, kuch bhi.
Sir,
So-
I dosa.
You do?
My favorite is dosa.
Dosa.
South Indian.
South
yeah.
Indian food.
We love South Indian food
No,
more.
there's-
Trust me.
No, they're simply saying it because they're talking to a South Indian guy. भैया फैन नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि साउंड आते हैं ना. नो प्रॉब्लम, थैंक यू. So I was to certain colleges, Sukhmani Dental College, Dera Bassi, Punjab, and also Rayat Bara Dental College in Mohali. And these guys are from Sukhmani Dental College. So we'll talk to them, try to find out how life is with butter rotis and paneer butter masalas. So first, in fact, there is a funny incident that has happened. So before taking a guest lecture in Sukhmani Dental College, I got a Insta notification saying that Robin Preet Kaur is following me. I was like, since it is Kaur, definitely this girl or profile must be from Punjab, Chandigarh or Haryana. Then immediately I messaged this Kaur wala girl. She didn't reply, that's fine. And then, no, she didn't reply.
I didn't check my phone.
So
I
what?
checked my phone after meeting you.
Okay,
Like,
whatever
very
it is.
good.
And then I went to the guest lecture, and in the process, I've seen some reels of this Robin Preet Kaur. And in that reel, I've seen one professor who is actually trying to threaten the students in those funny reels which they are doing for sake of dental students and general public. And then during the process of my orientation class, I saw this guy and I was in a bit of shock. And then I exclaimed with, a lot of excitement that I saw you.
Real guy.
Yeah, the real guy. So I thought he was a professor. I mean, in reels, he gives that kind of look, but he's an intern. He is Manik. And these guys, Robin and Manik, they're doing wonderful reels for awareness of general public as well as for dental students. They have lakhs of views. And, one thing that really fascinated me is the title of her profile where Robin mentioned it as romanticizing dentistry. That is something which I really loved. And I had great fun with these guys, and I decided okay, let's have some candid interaction. So since I'm a YouTuber, I keep talking a lot. Now I'll shut up and I'll let them talk, okay? First, we'll start with this cute girl, wonderful girl whom we have, who changed her seat from here to here so that so that she could look good in her profile. No, that's what you said, right?
Hello.
Okay. So just introduce yourself and which place are you from? Yeah.
Like looking there.
You can look there, here. I mean, if you want good rishta, you have to look there. But if you're here to talk to me, you can look at me.
Okay, I'll
She
do
want
the
to
both.
show her this profile.
Myself Ritika, I'm intern in Sukhmani Dental College and I met sir yesterday.
Yeah.
It was a very nice experience. Thank you sir for coming.
It's
and
really my
mentoring
pleasure.
me.
Yeah. And Ritika is really sweet. She helped me with some phrases. Dasa Tanu. She taught me some Punjabi phrases which I have been using, and it's been like amazing experience. She's
She's
very
not
sweet.
a good student.
I'm definitely not a
But
good
an
student.
amazing teacher.
But okay.
Amazing.
Right. So yes. What about Robin Peter?
Robin.
He was waiting for his turn, sir. Why you skipped him?
No.
He's
Let's deal with him
introduction
last.
only.
Let's roast him last. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah, please introduce
My name is
yourself.
Dr. Robin Preet Kaur. I am working in Sukhmani Dental College.
Okay. And your
As a tutor.
And your UG is from?
Mine is from Dr. Harvansh Singh Judge, Institute of Dental Sciences, Punjab University.
Punjab University.
Chandigarh.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Like, what's your proper place like?
I
What's your
belong
native?
to Ambala.
Ambala.
It's nearby.
Haryana.
Ambala comes under Haryana, and your
Haryana,
proper
yeah.
place is also from Sonipat in Haryana.
Haryana.
Panipat, Sonipat.
I'm
So I have all
I'm
this,
from
but
Panipat.
I didn't ask you, na?
Don't do this.
One Manik, one sir. Sir, one Manik, zero.
So you're also from Panipat.
Yes, sir.
Same place.
No, sir. She's from Sonipat. I'm from Panipat.
Oh, okay, okay. Sonipat,
Like I am
Panipat.
from Gohana,
Okay.
but Sonipat district.
Okay, got it.
Yes.
So more or less, it's nearby
Yeah,
itself,
half
right?
an hour.
So you three are from Haryana.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mine is
Origin.
like on boundary of Haryana and Punjab.
Whatever, you're
Yeah.
Haryanvi.
Yeah.
You three are Haryanvis.
Yeah.
And we.
Actually, I am also from Haryana.
Then where is Punjab here? That's what I know.
Punjab is in Canada. Punjab is not in Canada.
Yes. Punjab is in Canada. These guys have infiltrated even the government of Canada.
So Canada. Let's
Canada.
just change the name of country.
Kannada. Itte gitte.
No, sir. It's Canada now.
Canada.
Not Canada, yeah.
Okay, fine. Whatever. So Simran is also from.
Haryana, Pinjore. My great grandparents live in.
Okay, and you
Pinjore
stay in
and
Zirakpur.
Zirakpur.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in fact, Simran, I've known her for almost 3-4 years. She has been in touch online, and she's really excited to meet me. And yesterday, for the first time, we met offline. It was an amazing experience. So what I've realized in this tour is, like, online interactions I've been doing for the last 10-15 years. Even everything is great, but it cannot replace offline interaction.
Yes,
The kind of interaction we have offline, the experience, the vibe, it is really contagious. And that's the reason why I started insisting on meeting so many people to have that experience. So keeping those things aside, you guys start with your whatever project that you have been working on Insta and all. So what is the source of inspiration? Why is that you're doing all those reels? And I guess one of the reels has around 1 lakh views.
Now it's 3 lakh.
now 3 lakh.
Oh my god! So it's just shooting up, going viral.
Yes, sir.
So what is this all about? Like, because mostly we talk about negative stuff in dentistry and also, what's your driving force here to do all these reels and stuff?
Thing is, I fell in love with dentistry. Like, till 3rd year, I didn't like dentistry at all.
Okay.
Because it was like a forced decision, and
Hmm.
I was not interested in BTS. Like,
Hmm.
in India, it is always like first preference is your MBBS,
Yes,
and then
yes.
second is BDS.
That's how we all landed up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But with time, how it changed my perception towards dentistry, it's so good. Like, I mean, you have all the work balance, and you have a good life, and you have same those objectives as like
True.
some MBBS surgeon is doing. Like,
True. Hmm.
they are also treating patients, we are also treating patients.
True.
We are also like making them pain relief.
Yes.
We are doing the same thing, and
You're promoting healthcare one way or
Exactly.
the other. So why
Exactly,
feel
yeah.
inferior? Hmm.
yes, and also oral health is related to all your body. It's
all
like a
mixed
mirror
up.
to
Yeah, exactly.
It's like mirror to your body. Like, if you see someone's mouth, you
True.
may be the first person to detect diabetes too. Like,
Very good.
right?
In fact, as I say, oral health reflects overall health.
yes,
Yeah.
true.
Hmm.
Yeah. So and now I'm in love with it, and now there's just no going back.
And by the way, our Robin Hood is planning to Canada.
Canada, sir.
So she is planning some master's course, and her objective is to pursue dentistry over there. So what about that? Can you just share your travel in brief?
So I'm enrolled in health administration course there, which
Health
is
administration course.
yeah, which is
Okay.
for 2 years.
Okay. Hmm.
And side by side, I'm planning to give the exams for licensing there
Okay.
as a dentist, to work as a
Okay.
dentist there.
Okay. That's
So,
good.
because the center is just Canada and US,
Hmm.
of giving exam. Like
Okay.
Australia exam, we can give it from India.
India,
too,
yes.
right?
Part 1.
But
Yeah.
for those exam, we have to go to Canada or
True.
US.
Hmm.
I thought of like doing something extra too, while because obviously, like, I was here, I got so many things to learn. Like, I was okay with clinical work, but when I came to Prosto, there was so much of register work and all. You have to maintain stocks, you have to do so much other than the
Okay.
clinical stuff.
Hmm.
So it kinda made me think, like, I never knew कि ये चीज मैं कर नहीं सकती थी उतने अच्छे से. But with time, my
क्योंकि
mind
सास भी
improved.
कभी बहू थी. I don't know Hindi, talk in English.
Yeah, they all know Hindi.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
So, what I was saying?
Prosto,
So it was my love
record
story,
breaking, yeah.
So I got into that thing too, and I realized कि इस चीज में I am lagging. So I joined a health administration course. I
Okay.
have to completely master like
In India itself.
in there.
Okay, there.
Yeah,
Okay.
I worked as tutor in OS
Okay.
and then in Prosto.
Hmm.
But in Prosto, there was so much of register work.
Hmm.
So register work is like, you have to manage everything. Like what stocks are coming,
Yeah,
how many
yeah.
patients, what patients and all. So it kind of, it was like solving puzzles daily.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
they all know this. They have seen me like, every
Oh
time
my
I'm
god,
just,
this girl is making me sweat. Look at me.
you are just sweating. I cried too. I cried this on some days.
Okay.
So, from that, I thought of joining some management course, like how to actually manage hospital management. Like, so this is.
So your clinical experience in Prosto has made you feel inclined towards this administration part also.
Yes.
But don't you think you'll be missing the clinical aspect or dentistry per
So
se?
I'm not like going anywhere. I'll side by side. I have
Okay.
planned.
So this is a means for you to go to Canada and
Yeah,
then complete your
definitely.
masters in health administration.
Definitely.
And then your main focus is on dentistry itself.
And dentistry.
DDS.
And it is going to add one more skill,
Exactly.
like
Hand in
administrating
hand.
and
Yes,
managing.
yes, it's
That's
true,
like
true.
that's
Yeah.
that is actually more tough than doing clinical work. I have realized this.
True. Management part is really very
Yeah.
challenging.
Like the doors of mind were never opened like that. When
Very
I started doing all the register
Yeah,
work, I was
yeah.
like where I was till now.
Okay. So before we move on, I just want to know about your college experience. Harvansh Singh Judge. So how was the college experience in brief? OPD, infrastructure, staff guidance, like?
Infrastructure is great, but we don't have any air conditioner or something like that. If you're expecting, like since it's
Okay.
a government college.
Oh, okay, fine.
So
fine. It's
but there's
semi-government or something like
yeah,
that you said,
yeah,
right?
self-finance.
Self-financing.
So and the OPD is like 160, 180
Amazing.
patients.
It's amazing, yeah.
Like
Compared to some colleges where it is only 20 or 30.
Yes.
Okay,
Sir,
fine.
We have good OPD in Prosto.
Okay.
I think that doesn't matter.
Sorry, what did you say?
In Prosto.
In Prosto, you have good OPD. Then how come you're getting time to make reels?
Now I am in Peru, sir.
So this is a job after 3.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
like-
okay.
Till
3
time.
to 3:20, 3:30.
See, they are a team, right? So they're supporting each other. Huh? Okay. Now, before I get back to you, I want to roast you a lot.
I'm waiting.
I'm also.
No, like talk about your college, Ritika. So your UG is you're an intern in Sukhmani, Sri Sukhmani Dental College, right? You have a wonderful campus, and even she is an alumnus of Sukhmani. So talk about your college experience and all.
So it was like mix. First I came, then I was full of regrets, what to do.
Yeah.
Landed up in
Yeah,
BDS. I was
yeah.
preparing for MBBS. So
Hmm.
initial 1 year, I think it was very struggling, but teachers were very nice. So they were giving opinions. If you landed here, you should do good. Like what is in your hand, you should make use of that.
That's a smart strategy. Whatever best you can do with the given resources, you make maximum use of
My
it.
parents also supported me कि नहीं जो है उसमें अच्छा करना है. Take it as your motto. Then I am like top 5 students every time, second or third. So I studied very well.
Oh, you're boasting yourself, taking this as an opportunity, showing your profile, boasting yourself. Vareva, what a strategy. Super strategy, ma'am.
No, good at business too.
Sir, no problem. Sir, I think we can just wait for our marriage and we can get free food too. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
okay.
yeah, definitely.
Oh my God, I
definitely.
should be watching this. To be husband.
That's what my channel has become. I worked so hard for 10 years and it has become a matchmaking channel. Ijjat gai. Good. Please carry on. Yeah.
Then I accepted like
You took it as a challenge. You learned whatever
So
best you
I
can.
told my father once told me कि कभी भी ना हारना नहीं है. जो भी मिले उसमें बेस्ट करो. So maybe God have better plans. so I did very nicely, studied very well. Then I noticed that I am very good at clinical works. Like every time teacher used to say nice, done very nicely. No repetitions. Most of the time it was like nice. So I got interested.
No repetition means two things: either excellent work or very bad work.
Excellent work. I'm from Venus, ma'am, you know. So good tooth arrangements and everything.
She's not even giving me 1% chance to criticize her.
So she's right.
A person who is smart would never say they're smart.
I'm not smart.
That is the reality.
Sir, wedding can be cancelled now. We cannot get.
No, don't worry. I'll watch for her. Yeah.
Okay, then I was doing good. So I gained interest in BDS, and now I'm thinking that I'll give my life to this profession.
Very good, very good. So happy to hear that. In fact, when you said you love the profession, you fell in love with the profession, and when you're saying that you want to give everything, it's actually wonderful and amazing to hear, soothing to my ears, because large majority of them are pessimistic, unfortunately, have been systematically brainwashed into believing that there is nothing here. But still, it's really a very good sign.
So I always ignore things like people say na BDS में क्या रखा है, MBBS नहीं मिला, तो shift कर लो. You are good in studies, go for UPSC, go for civil services. But I am very like I like the work I do, so I am thinking of continuing it.
So the reality of life is everything is unique and special in its own way. Whether it can be professional aspect, it can be personal lives. See, I am unique in my own way. You are unique in your own way. If we all try to be the best version of ourselves, we'll in fact have our uniqueness preserved, because what I do, no one else can do it. The same holds true for everyone. The day we realize that, I'm sure we'll focus on giving our best. 100%, and so happy to hear this.
Sometimes I'm noticing like I'm very sad, something. Then I'll do work, I'll do a patient, or maybe some assisting my MDS staff. So I'm feeling very happy. Like I like this work.
Yeah. So this is helping you overcome your personal challenges or whatever, and you're
you
having
told
that.
in lecture, no, previously, like yesterday, you told ki if anything is your passion, you don't tire up doing that.
Exactly.
So
You'll feel
this
energized.
I think
You'll
like
feel recharged.
I do patient and I feel nice.
That's good. That's good. So.
And the happiness after like I delivered my first denture and I was in the cloud 9 like
Cloud
oh
nine.
our
Okay.
auntie came with denture and she told me like beta aaj maine khana khaya like denture
Wow,
se.
wow. So that's
That was very
ultimate
nice
satisfaction,
feeling.
right? Yeah. That's good. So in fact, she said she was on cloud 7. Both of them are on cloud 7 yesterday. Now
Ah,
you are
she's
on
on
cloud 9. Yeah. That's
We
good.
need to run.
Yeah. I'll
Climb
get-
higher.
Now we have Simran here. So Simran, she is very special because I know her online for the past from 2019 onwards, maybe when you were in final year or something like that. And she was in touch constantly. And please, about yourself, Simran, your college experience, and what is it
my
you're doing now?
College experience is good. I'm studying.
Same college,
Yeah,
Sukhmani Dental
Sukhmani
College.
Dental College.
Yeah.
I studied from same college and then I worked in the same college as a house job.
Okay.
House job one plus year.
Okay. Around 1 year you have been working. Yeah.
It's a good experience.
Hmm. Okay. So you stay in Zirakpur
Yeah.
itself, right?
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
So what is it you're planning in future, like MDS itself? And what about you? What is it you're
I'm also
planning?
planning.
Apart from marriage and stuff,
Hopefully.
hopefully once the
I'm
video
planning
goes
for
out.
MDS, but let's see. I'm
Yeah.
very good at clinical, so I
Okay.
want that. Like I
Yeah.
want.
In fact, MDS will be complementing your clinical skills, right? Yeah.
मतलब I have a fear of losing my clinical hand.
3 years mein.
मतलब नहीं.
You think in MDS you'll play goalies?
नहीं sir, like preparing for MDS needs full time, no?
Yeah, exactly. But after completing your MDS or whatever it is, you have next 20, 30, 40 years for your clinical practice, right? Yeah. So you can think that way also. Good. Now, coming to the
Please don't
focus
roast
point, coming to the focus point of this entire discussion, Manik ji,
Yes.
I saw you, I thought you were faculty. I was shocked to see you in class as an intern. Is it like, are you seriously intern or are you acting like an intern?
Sir, I am intern.
Okay, so please talk about yourself, Manik.
I'm intern in Sri Sukhmani Dental College.
Hmm.
Myself,
Hmm.
Manik Panchal. I'm from Panipat, Haryana. My experience when I came to this college, my senior told me that why you opt this option, why you choose BDS. There is nothing in BDS, and I was like, then why you are here? So
Logical.
my relatives also said that you choose BAMS. Either if you don't get MBBS, either choose BAMS. Look, in last you are doctor. मैं कहा after pursuing dentistry, I'm also a doctor. No, you are दांतों वाला doctor. मैं what do you mean by दांतों वाला doctor? मैं कहा when you get pain in the teeth, you don't go to the MBBS doctor.
True.
So then I love to do patients. It's my passion to do
That's
patients.
what Robin was telling yesterday.
Yes,
Yeah.
My father is a chemist, but he practice like small things like. So I saw and I feel very very good, very happy to see my father like डॉक्टर हैं वो तो वहाँ से मेरे को इंस्पिरेशन मिली है इस चीज़ की कि मतलब मुझे भी डॉक्टर बनना है और जो पेशेंट करके मतलब मुझे खुशी मिलती है एक्सट्रीम लेवल मतलब
So that sense of professional satisfaction which has been driving almost every one of us here.
Yes sir. So that's it. मतलब पेशेंट करना मेरा पैशन है उनको हैप्पी करना मेरा पैशन है तो मैं बस उसी को फॉलो कर रहा हूँ और बस उसी रास्ते पे
No, that's a very interesting and important thing. I'll tell you why. Like I've gone to one of the clinics in Mumbai and the patient has come. He's speaking in Marathi and one of the dentists who I know, after the patient left, my dentist guy was telling like in that patient's mouth we have 50,000. Which means 3 root canals, 2 crowns or something. Would you dare say the same to your mother or father if they come for treatment? Then, so if we consider, as you said, if we consider the patient as our patient and if you consider them like our family, we wouldn't do no harm. In fact, we'll give our best and through word of mouth, we'll get much better business.
Yes.
And it's a time-taking process, trust building and stuff. And how dare we call the patient or say that in that patient's mouth, 50,000 or 60,000 is there. How unfortunate is that? So it's all about mindset, and one of the senior most endodontists in Pune was telling like he heard on a phone call about another dentist saying to some other relatives. So that dentist was saying like you come early in the morning to his relatives. You come early in the morning but not late in the evening because early in the morning the instruments are more sterilized.
My God.
What nonsense is that? So there are certain basic ethics which if we can follow, of course as you rightly said, I mean I'm so jealous of you guys because you're in Sukhmani college, you're getting nice exposure. Unfortunately that's not the case in most of the private colleges where there is no clinical exposure. As a result they will obviously not develop any interest since you're dealing with cases and all, you're having that interest, right? So you guys are really blessed to be in this college and in fact Robin also was telling the same thing.
My father always told me that treat the patients like your family.
Very good. It's a very simple thing.
Yes, sir.
And we forget about that. We focus on this market dynamics, promotion, YouTube or ads or whatever nonsense it is. What's the point then? It's good. So what about these reels and all? Okay, clinical part you are very exceptional, that's fine. What about the reels part?
Sir, we start just for fun.
Okay.
But we don't know we
Where it is leading us.
That's the secret of doing anything. You enjoy the process, you have fun. Success comes as a natural consequence.
Yes.
Did you do it for sake of 1 lakh or 3 lakh views?
No,
you just did it out of your interest and inclination. And even you were also maybe trying to get some rishtas or whatever it is.
No, paisa.
Paisa?
She wants rishta and paisa only.
We made her reel. That why one word for dentist. She said paisa. So
That was sarcastic. Like initial 5 years, no
Even
paisa,
if it is
no?
sarcastic, if it is coming from your heart and mouth, which means you mean it.
rishta and paisa.
Everyone
It is supposed to
seeking
be
for
his
money.
roasting session.
Not
See,
everyone.
now she is trying to justify,
Generalizing it,
generalizing it. Huh? Hello, excuse me. Okay, so I really had a wonderful time with them very briefly yesterday, and I said like we'll have a similar kind of fun even today. So this is an attempt to produce the same in the form of this video recording. I hope you guys had some fun along with us. And before we conclude, since I'm a foodie, we'll talk about foodie. Is it myth or fact that these guys eat only butter rotis and paneer butter masalas?
Myth.
Myth.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
Then what?
Everything South Indian.
I know vada pav, idli sambar, utpam.
Okay, we'll go inside this restaurant and ask for vada pav.
Okay.
Will you get it?
There is no vada pav here.
Exactly. So these guys only survive on that paneer butter masala and butter rotis. But seriously, if you want to try those, you should try them alongside the authentic dhabas that are there along the highways. The food is really yummy, especially butter rotis and paneer butter masala. That's my favorite. So thank you guys. Thank you for involving in this discussion. And this is for the first time we're doing it, so it's going to be special not only for me but also for our audience. And all the best for all things you do in life. As I already said, if you guys are happy, if you are successful, the vibes are contagious. It will be contagious. And anytime, any guidance, you can always contact me. Lovely notes, and thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
All the best. All the best. Bye.
Bye.
Super.
Oh.